Hi, in this video, I'm unboxing the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 32GB RAM kit and installing it on the MSI PRO Z790 WiFi motherboard. This memory runs at 6000 MHz with CL30 latency, offering excellent speed for gaming and productivity. This Corsair RAM features a low-profile black aluminum heat spreader for better cooling and easy clearance under larger CPU coolers. Corsair's Vengeance DDR5 series is known for its stability, great compatibility, and solid build quality for the price. It supports Intel XMP 3.0 for easy performance tuning, making it a reliable choice for gaming, editing, and multitasking builds. But for now, let's relax with some background music and watch the RAM installation.